How to fix missing chat history, sync now, and Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna see how to fix the missing chat history sync now error on Facebook Messenger. So Messenger has recently introduced the end-to-end encrypted chat where all of your chat history are synced and your messages are stored. In order to sync your messages across all of your devices, you're going to have to create a PIN and enter that specific PIN in order to be able to sync all of your messages across all your devices. Now, if you don't have that PIN, you could just go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Then you'll find your settings. Once you go to the settings menu, scroll down a bit until you find privacy and safety. Once you are here, go to end-to-end encrypted chats and then go to message storage. Here, I already have created my PIN. So if you want to reset your PIN, tap on reset PIN, enter the current PIN. But if you don't know the current PIN, then the only option here is to delete your secure storage or turn it off and then create your PIN again. Once that is done, your error should be fixed. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.